Morning folks, put my hand on it, try and set the focus, it keeps hunting. Right, okay, let's wet the paper. £200 Saunders Waterford, just a rural scene, a bit of countryside. So I'm not very good with all this techno. I like to set this up so I could choose the focus and just set it. I'll have to work on that. Right, okay, a bit of raw sienna, just give a bit of a blush, but I want to okay, let's I want to get a really dark or thicker sienna in here. Right, let's go a little bit darker. Well, when I say dark, I mean more pigment. Right, now a bit of Payne's grey in here. Give a bit of a darker touch of blue. Just such a little bit of ultramarine in here. Right, let's get some darker. Let's have some burnt sienna now in there. And there's some over here to let it soak in. Right, burnt sienna. See if we can get a more ready feel to that. So we've got some light coming in. Okay, let's let that. Well, I'll try that off. I think. Let's put a bit of foreground in. A little bit of burnt sienna, a bit of yellow. Let's darken that with a bit of Payne's grey. Oh, we've got a hair. Pull out any hairs. Oh, get a bit of yellow in there. Okay, let's just. So there, well, it's wet. You can do quite a lot with it. I'm not sure whether it will lift out, but. Bring that down here. Now this paper, even though it's heavy, it still expands. Just chugging the paint down just to give a bit of a texture. Okay, I'm going to dry this now, so take your headphones off. Right now, go. Okay. Right now, rigger. Okay. Going to put in some texture now, so we want some sort of bluey grey. I'll put some dry brush over the top of this. Just want to do a quickie. Sort of a exercise tutorial in loose painting. I just wanted to do something like this with backlit, with some not so very subtle sunrise. Put the reflections in. Okay, now got a I'll use a medium height for this. So sort of a wintry, cool. try to give an impression of lots of branches at the top here, called making a shape. Okay, I'll give that a dry. So I'll just put a bit more texture back into those trees. So take, oh, the top of my hairdryer's come off. Right, okay, take your headphones off, folks. Ready, go. The paper's gone completely flat now. Rigger, where's my rigger gone? Oh, unbelievable! Just put my rigger down. I've lost the wretched. Oh no, here it is, hiding under the medium hake. Sort of memory of yesterday's bike ride along the River Wandle into Malden Hall Park on the boardwalk, and to see these lovely trees, although I'm doing winter trees here, poking above salt marsh, and not salt marsh, just marsh grass, just absolutely beautiful. So I photograph it, but I don't work really from the photographs, I just work from my memory. Okay. Sort of abstract. I might put a couple of birds in. Right, okay, no detail in that. I like that. Right, put it in a mount. I just like the idea of the sun sort of coming from the painting into the sun, really, isn't it? Or the sunrise over a pond. Could be Mitcham Common. But this is a winter scene rather than a summer scene. Let's push you up. Okay, it's an abstract type of scene, just basic colours, burnt sienna, raw sienna, Payne's grey, ultramarine, cadmium yellow. That's it, really. I think what I'd like to do is just to see if I can lift out a little bit on that horizon. A bit better. Just to show a little bit of establish the shore. Right, okay, that'll do. Well, I hope you like that, folks. A little bit not straight, but we can straighten up in a mount. Right, okay, bye bye.